YouTube videos and telling stories together for a long time. We shot our first video over 8 years ago.
And as we've evolved as filmmakers and storytellers, our gear has evolved too. Today we travel around with bags, big cameras, and bulky lenses. But at the end of the day, the story is what matters most. And we need a versatile camera that can travel anywhere with us and capture it all.
That's why we're so excited about the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Okay, so check this out. We're gonna shoot this scene right here on the ultra wide mode. So right here, this is one of the best views of San Francisco. You got the city in the background, you can see the Golden Gate Bridge, and over there, that tiny dot on the left side of your screen, that's Alcatraz.
Okay, you're telling me that that dot is Alcatraz.
That's exactly what I'm telling you, Colin. That is Alcatraz.
If you're so sure, prove it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get you closer and I'm gonna prove that to you.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Check this out.
Whoa, that's incredible. That's Alcatraz at 30 times zoom.
So that tiny dot in frame that I just showed you now fills the entire screen. Let me show you where we started from.
Whoa, unbelievable. Now, normally to get a shot like that, we would have to swap lenses.
But now we can get this ultra wide you're looking at, as well as that close up, all with a single device.
Samir, I've got a question for you.
What's up, Colin?
From where we are, can you spot the Palace of Fine Arts?
You know where the show's happening right now?
Yes.
No, man, I don't think so.
You still looking?
Yeah, I'm still looking, man. It's far.
You're not gonna find it.
That's crazy.
Let me show you.
Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that's crazy.
That's the Palace of Fine Arts at 100 times zoom.
Wait, that's amazing. I can barely see it over here.
And now I'm gonna bring it back out to the ultra wide.
Wow. That's crazy. I mean, the craziest part of all of this to me is that you can go from ultra wide to 100 times zoom and back all with a phone.
With the S20 Ultra's 100 times zoom, you now have the most versatile storytelling tool that fits right in your pocket.